parents, teachers, and most adorable, lovely children. Friends, it is said that one rose plant is enough to spread fragrance in the entire garden. In the same way, Shriji Dham Swaminarayan Temple is alone enough to make entire Science City area a peaceful and soul-soothing place. And SS Divine School is a beautiful learning campus bloomed under the shelter of Shri Ghanshyam Maharaj and Pujya Sant Shri Satya Sankalp Das Ji and Pujya Dharma Bhushan Das Ji. We are also greatly supported by our trustees, Shri Shanti Bhai Patel, Shri Ramesh Bhai Patel, Shri Nandu Bhai Patel, Shri Arun Bhai Patel, Shri Abhay Singh Ji Jhala, Shri Magan Bhai Patel, Shri Vishnu Bhai Patel, and the school is achieving new milestones day by day with their support. With the divine blessings of Pujya Satya Sankalp Das Ji and Pujya Dharma Bhushan Das Ji, SS Divine School is celebrating its 9th glorious annual day here in presence of you all. On this occasion, I would like to welcome and greet our respected trustees with our honorable directors, Shri Pinakin Sir and Sanjay Sir. It is really a great opportunity and proud moment for me to share the brief annual report of our school with you. As we all know, from December 2019 to March 2021, the entire world, especially the mankind, faced an unprecedented disease called coronavirus. It shook the whole world and put us all on the standstill mode for the longest period in the history of the mankind. I pay a deep, heartfelt homage to all the dear ones who lost their lives in this dark time. The 2.5 year long pandemic time has taught us many lessons, but on the other hand, we have seen the selflessness of the doctors, nurses, helpfulness of social welfare associations, and above all this, empathy shown by individuals. It proves that humanity in us is still alive. A big salute and deep gratitude to all of them. Moving back to the pan picture of school, let's have a quick look what the students, teachers, and school SS Divine have overall done in this last 3 years. Well, you all will be glad to know that during the tough time, our teachers, they did excellent job by giving online education program. They did the most efficient work by online Zoom lectures, video tutorials, digital library of subject material for grade 1 to 12. Even the exams were taken online under strict vigilance. Papers and notebooks were checked at regular intervals. We can say that our school ran almost as if it were a regular offline school. And that is the reason why, compared to other schools at present, the students of SS Divine School face less difficulties in coping up with learning gap because of COVID-19 period. A huge round of applause to all the teachers of SS Divine School. I would also like to show a deep gratitude to our directors Pinakin Sir and Sanjay Sir, who paid full salaries to all the employees and did not remove any of the teachers from their job. They stood by us selflessly in this tough time. A great thank you from all the team of teachers of SS Divine School. Thank you very much. The COVID-19 vaccination program ran by the Gujarat Government Healthcare Department was held in our school, where over 1,200 students were vaccinated safely, smoothly, and systematically by a team of health workers. After the pandemic was over, an environment conservation program was called Nadi Utsav. It was conducted by the government of Gujarat at Sabarmati riverfront, The girls from grade 9th Gujarati medium participated in a debate competition and won a team trophy as the first prize in the Navi Utsav. During the year of 2020-21, ISRO organized a week-long program called Gaganyaan Awareness. In the Science City campus, our more than 60 students from grade 1 to grade 12 participated in various competitions like drawing, painting, model making, and won many prizes. They all were felicitated at ISRO by the chairman of ISRO and other project heads. In the year 2020-21, the students of grade 8 to 12 participated in an inter-school competition held at Sabarmati University. The students prepared working models on alternative sources of energy, renewable sources of energy, and sustainable development. They took part in an elocution competition and a drawing competition too. We are proud to say that almost every second prize or trophy was won by the students of SS Divine School. Even 2 days ago, just on 15th of February 2023, 14 students from grade 8 and 9 participated in an essay writing competition held at Sabarmati University. 2 students achieved first and second position in this competition. This is just an event before 2 days. The students celebrated the last Diwali in the most joyful and fun-filled manner in the school, where they prepared jumbo Diwali cards, created beautiful rangolis, and decorated diyas. The diyas that you have seen on the steps while you are coming to the auditorium, they are decorated by the students of this school. The students ended that celebration with potluck. SS Divine School believes and the school is known for training the students and transforming them into responsible and global citizens. As part of such training, the students of high school section were given a mock drill on fire safety awareness before the Diwali vacation. During the recent election time, one more social awareness program was conducted by the students of grade 8 to 12, particularly girls, in which the girls of the secondary and higher secondary visited the public places like High Court, Police Station, Urban Health Center. They created beautiful rangolis with the message of vote for better India. And here comes the most playful and colorful section of SS Divine School, the pre-primary section known as Little Bird Kids Zone. Learn with fun is the vision of this section. In order to keep this vision intact, this is the Mud Day. This was celebrated as the World Mud Day Vishwa Kadav Divas. Can you see the joy on the kids? हम बच्चों को मना कर देते हैं कादव में खेलेंगे बीमार हो जाएंगे. You just see, look at them, how they are enjoying. In order to keep this vision intact, we conduct many field trips, hands-on learning activities, and practical playway method. The annual sports day for the school year 2020-23, the pre-primary section was held on 8th of January 2023, Sunday at Mangaldeep Party Plot near Sola. The kids ran with the torch of sportsmanship spirit. They did a robust parade, performed dances. They took part in many hilarious and fun-filled educational games which helped them in the enhancement of their physical and cognitive development. The students visited Kankaria Zoo, Adalaja Stepwell, Fun Plus Gaming Zone at Sindhu Bhavan, ISKCON Temple at Bhadaj, Bal Nagri in the Pramukh Swami Maharaj Shatabdi Mahotsav near Ognaj. A one-day educational trip at Nadabet, Suigam. Kids, can you relate? Was conducted for the students of grade 8 to 12. They attended Seema Darshan program, learned about a soldier's life in the army wing of a defense system. They witnessed the retreat program. The students had a close look at the artillery's weapons and war strategies at the national border areas. The girls of grade 9th performed a patriotic dance showing the great Indian culture in presence of over 700 people in the large arena of retreat area. The co-curricular activities of poetry recitation in grade 1 to 3, storytelling competition in grade 4 to 6, and elocution competition in grade 7 to 12 were conducted during the months of December and January for the academic year 2022-2023. The winners of these competitions will be awarded with certificates today in the next few hours. The students of SS Divine School participated in the second Taiyokai Karate Cup 2020-23 on the 3rd and 4th of June Championship 2020 at Hisar in Haryana, on 4th, 5th and 6th of November 2023 at Hisar in Haryana under the guidance of their karate coach Mr. Falgun Shah. They also participated in another such competition at Hisar in Haryana. Gujarat was on the 2nd position with the highest number of participants, but in this championship tournament, SS Divine School feels to be proud to announce that maximum students participated in our school from Ahmedabad. They also won gold, silver and bronze medals, and the team trophy in their respective categories also went to our students. Congratulations to all of them and a huge round of applause for them. Thank you. Diya Desai from grade 10 English medium has made the school to be proud by securing bronze medal in lawn tennis in the Khel Mahakumbh for the year 2022-23. She is also a winner of All India Tennis Association tournament for doubles under 18 at Delhi. Congratulations to her as well as her parents. Priyanshi Chauhan from grade 12 Gujarati medium commerce is also a pride of SS Divine School, as she has won medal and trophy in Gujarat State Ranking Tennis Tournament held on 24th of December 2022. She was also selected in ITF World Junior Tennis Tournament held at Malaysia, where she had opponents from America, Australia, Spain, Japan, Taiwan, Hong Kong and France too. Advait Nagar from grade 8 English medium, Advait is also participating in final of Gujarat Tennis Association GSTS State Level Tournament under 14. He also represents Ahmedabad Rural District in Khel Mahakumbh in 2022 and was awarded by state government. Congratulations to Advait. Niyati Mehta, the student of the batch 2019-20, was invited to be the part of Young India Scientist program at Delhi. She held All India rank 62 in JEE Advanced in 2020. Hemendra Singh Chauhan and Prithviraj Singh Rathod have created a new path in the career choice by joining IIHM, the Indian Institute of Hospitality Management courses, as their higher study. And now the latest and greatest achievement, academic achievement of Standard 12 Science English Medium. We are proud to announce that just 5 days ago, this result is declared. 9 students of SS Divine School have secured more than 95% in JEE Mains year 2022-23. Friends, parents, our kids have shown their talents and capabilities and skills in almost every field. But are we ready to appreciate them in proper way? Well, to make an attempt in that direction, we have got an exhibition cum sale on the exit area of this auditorium, where you will find laminated pictures and portraits created by our students. They are for sale at a very nominal amount. This amount will be given to the students who have drawn it. Please visit that exhibition area and please encourage them by purchasing or buying any of the paintings. Thank you. All these have been possible just because of long vision, proper guidance and strong support by the team of teachers of SS Divine School and positive hand-holding by the school and parents. I thank you all for being the way you are. Yes, Trupis. Please listen to this song for 30 seconds.
तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर, हट समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले। अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर, खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर।
सबने सुना होगा ये गीत, ज्यादातर हिचकी जिसने देखी होगी, खोल दे पर। बच्चों के पर खोलने की जरूरत है जो हम बांध के रखते हैं। Honorable guests and parents, this annual showcase of today is not just a collection of good dances or performances. It is a very strong and clear, loud message by the students of SS Divine School to the whole society. It is a loud announcement and an eye-opening musical address to all of us that even though the current education system is a rat race of marks, degree and later on a well-paid job, we dare to live with difference. This is a message from the students of SS Divine School. We have hope, faith and confidence in us. In this fierce situation of so-called developed education system, the students of SS Divine School try to bear the torch of positivity in form of hope, devotion and strength. In SS Divine School, every child is considered unique, capable and worth of whatever strength or weaknesses they possess. In today's program, every song, every word, every dialogue has its own significance. I assure you that when today's program is over, all of us will be filled with purity in our soul, dreams in our eyes and power in our body. Please enjoy the grand annual showcase 2022-23 with the theme of Asha, Bhakti and Shakti. Thank you very much.